In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trigger emails in Hubspot Starter using Zapier and Gmail. We'll walk through the steps needed to set up this automation smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're looking to improve communication with clients or streamline your workflow, this guide will set you on the right path. To get started, we'll first navigate to Zapier. Zapier is a fantastic tool that automates your workflows by connecting different apps you're using. This means less manual work for you and more automation behind the scenes, helping you focus on what truly matters. Now, if you already have a Zapier account, go ahead and log in. There's a convenient link for logging into Zapier on their homepage. If you're not yet a member, signing up is straightforward and easy to follow. Once you're logged in, we move on to the Zapier home screen. Here, you have a central hub for all your possible workflows. This is the page where you'll create new connections, called Zaps. These Zaps are the heart of setting up an automated process between your favorite apps, like HubSpot and Gmail. Now, let's dive into creating a new Zap. Click on the Zaps tab, and then find the option to Create. When you click Create, you're setting the stage for a brand new Zap that will make interacting with HubSpot and email seamless and autonomous. Next, we define our trigger. Now, the trigger is essentially the event that starts your Zap. It's the notifier that tells your process to begin. In our case, the trigger will be an email. Simply click on Trigger and search for email in the search bar. Zapier supports a wide range of triggers and actions, so we need to specify email as our choice to keep things focused on this tutorial. Once you see the email option, click on that. Choosing email as a trigger will ensure that whenever a specific email action occurs, your automation process is activated. This step ensures an integrated flow between your digital communication and customer engagement tools. Remember, each action you set in Zapier can be customized based on your needs. So, particularly with emails, you can set conditions such as time delays or specific sender rules. These conditions can be set up depending on how you want emails monitored or what you want emails to trigger within HubSpot. And there you have it, a functioning, automated setup in Zapier using Gmail that connects directly with HubSpot to trigger emails. This not only keeps your contacts well informed, but also allows you to keep abreast of interactions without manual interference, saving you valuable time. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and you're now feeling confident to set this up yourself. For more tips and guides on automation, stay tuned for upcoming videos.